Hi, the has is unique selector because it's the first selector that targets your parent and not your child. Let's look into a practical example. So for sure you will have in your code like a notification. A notification can be of error and can be success. So let's have our error and let's add our error and let's have success. Success. And what we want to do is when it's a success message, we want to show a green border around our notification. And if it's a error, we want to show red border. So let's write a code. So now we are targeting our notification, and here we can use our has. And let's pass success. And let's add border. Let's say it will be 10 pixels, solid, and because it's success, it's green. And have the same to error. And with this selector, for the first time, we actually targeted our parent. But you need also to realize, don't overuse it, because if at least one element will satisfy the equation, it will apply. So it will traverse the whole tree. And another will be, like use case will be also, it's in the forms. So we will have like form group. And in form group, you will have an input. And your library will add valid and invalid. And let's have invalid. And we want to make so it will a little bit animation, so it will shake to indicate for the user that the form group is invalid. So let's write the selector. So let's have form group has, and let's have invalid. And here, let's add animation. I've already created animation. So let's add animation. Let's have 1 second and infinite. And here, let's have title. As you can see, it targeted our parent, and it's pretty good. But there are some limitations to this. You cannot use pseudo classes, so be careful. So you cannot use like first, latter, or so on. And the last one, what I wanted to show is, can you use it? With Chrome, Edge, and so on, it's supported. The problem is Firefox. So keep this in mind. I hope this helps. Have a great day. Bye.